Dude, you're gonna stab the wall and it's gonna leave a fat ass hole.
Let me take Dustin out right now. Let me see this. All right, Dustin, it was nice knowing you. Thank you for driving and all that.
You're welcome.
But
just take me out of my misery.
Okay.
Please.
Yeah, you have any last words? But actually, I'm gonna make you go to work before I take you out. Pull the sleeve off. No, this sleeve for the sword. All right. Thank you so much. Okay. Lift it up.
What the f up, everybody?
What is going on? We're out here in LA. Oh my gosh. We're with the man, Dustin. He finally got some time off of work for us. We're playing with swords. We got a turtle over here. Come on, son. Let's see. What's going on, Paul? Where are you? Oh, you're right there. What's up, Paul? You looks good. You look healthy, man. Look at this water clarity. Oh, this is some 4K water. That's some nice water, bro.
Clean.
Super clean, super fresh, with the flowers in it. Oh my God.
I don't know if they know, but...
Oh, the boy got yadded. What is this? How does it feel? Does it feel weird?
No, it feels fine.
Oh, maybe if this... How long did that take?
Like an hour.
That's actually not bad.
I'm gonna get another one right here next week on Tuesday.
He's gonna get my face on that side tomorrow.
So I'm gonna get Alex right here, all in bold. Then I'm gonna get David right here.
Oh, okay.
All in bold.
And you have the right there, right? Oh, no. So we're out here in LA and we are just enjoying the vibes, soaking everything in. It's actually at the end of the day already, so it's like almost 8 o'clock, and we have some things that we're gonna do tonight. We're gonna go get dinner, but we're also gonna watch the new Fast and Furious movie. I'm gonna be honest, after Tokyo Drift, I kind of stopped watching Fast and Furious. I mean, I did watch it, but I don't remember it all too much because it was more of like an action-packed movie. I don't know, it wasn't really about cars.
Tom Cruise is in this, right? Fast and Furious, Tom Cruise.
Oh, does that bug some of you guys? Here. Yeah, this is my room, man.
Nice.
This is my bathroom. Welcome to my crib. I don't know what to do anymore. It's just, I've been bottling everything in, and I feel like I just need to release this energy. Should we mess him up? What'd you say about Dustin? Oh shit! Alright, go. Yes. Hi. Oh.
Yo, yeah, you don't want this.
You don't want this. You don't want this.
You don't want this.
You don't want this. Don't worry, I won't hurt you.
Dude, I feel like I need to someone to pop my shoulder back in place.
How do you pop a shoulder?
I don't know.
Oh my
what
God, dude!
The
The jacuzzi looks lit right now. Hey, we jumping in tonight, boy.
We're going in.
Very nice. Nice. You won't. Yeah. Actually, really deep at the end.
Is it really?
Yeah, it doesn't look deep, but it's pretty deep.
I don't know how to swim for real.
You really don't know how to swim? You should jump in from the deep end then.
Parents never taught me. I never went to school.
Damn, you're just gonna throw your parents under the bus like that?
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Hey, be careful with that long stick.
Why?
Yeah.
Oh shit. And we're gonna go fishing right now, okay?
So basically, I think he already scooped everything out.
Probably.
Here. Oh, I see something. Here, go.
Aren't pool boys usually naked?
Each leaf gets you 1 cent. That's what I'm gonna teach my kid. So you collect, you see that right there? You see that? See the leaf? Boom. In here, you have maybe like 50 cents. So keep working until this whole pool is nice and clean. See that? 50 cents.
Nothing. Is that an actual penny in there? It is.
It might be. It might be. That's how you teach your kids how to clean the pool. Little responsibility. Yeah. I planted this tree back in 06. Pretty nice, right? Comment down below if you guys have ever had a kumquat. In one of the last videos, Dustin tried the kumquat for the first time and he actually really enjoyed it. So we're gonna go over to the kumquat tree.
Yeah, I had it at the mall, remember?
Yeah, straight mall kumquat, but we got a tree over here somewhere. Oh, it's this one right here. We gotta forge some kumquats. Pick your poison, cuz. Oh, you're just gonna go in raw like that.
Should I?
Definitely not. You gotta wipe it off. Look at this. Juicy. That one? All right, wipe it off. Everybody wipe it off.
I got seeds. Is it supposed to have seeds?
Yeah.
That's worse than alcohol.
It's sour. The skin's supposed to be sweet. The inside's supposed to be sour. You eat the whole thing. That's what that was. Ooh, we got a little birthday gift here from the homie Colin. Thank you, dude. You might be my cameraman, sir. You want to get in this?
No, it's your birthday.
It's our birthday.
No, it's...
Yeah, ever since we got together, it's just... Ooh, do I look at the tag? I'm not looking at the tag. We got some shoes here, maybe. I'm gonna try to guess what it is. It's an Air Force.
I know you're peeping, bro.
I'm not. My eyes are like this. Okay. Ooh. No, this ain't no Air Force.
I don't think they should call you Sneakerhead in the Bay
It's
no
a
more.
shell toe. It's a shell toe, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm ready. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Dang. What is this? Kith Classics? Dude, thank you so much. Give me a kiss. Come on, stop blushing. Here. I don't have a pair of these.
They had so many different pairs, and I was like, I feel like these ones were the most fitting for you, I feel like. So I didn't know if you liked any other ones, but then I feel like...
Yeah, these are the best out of all those.
Oh, there's more colors?
No, just different styles.
Dude, that's
You know the
perfect size
homie-
too. What size is this?
9.5.
Oh, dude, that's perfect.
It said,
Should go down half a size or something?
yeah.
Shout out to Colin for the shell toes. Kith exclusive. Kith classic. These are some fancy shell toes. Quick little on feet. Ooh, look at the gold.
Is it
Gold
3M?
Bussin'. No, but it's like, it's shiny. Look at it in the camera. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh.
With the yellow midsole, okay.
We're on the way to get sushi right now. So they made me come all the way from Hayward all.
If you guys are ever in Alhambra, check out California Rockin' Sushi. Ugh, so good. I am ready, baby. Let's go. Wow, fancy chopsticks. I'm wearing a white t-shirt. This is the last look. It's gonna get dirty this meal. Trust.
So we're gonna go watch Fast 10?
9.
9? What happened in Fast 8?
Fate of the Furious.
What?
What? Oh, Dominic Toretto's kid got kidnapped
He has a kid? When the did he have a kid?
with a cop.
Oh, in the Brazil movie.
Yeah.
That was what? 4?
I think that was 6.
There's 9 movies. This is worse than the Harry Potter shit. Harry Potter has only what? 7
Harry Potter has 13.
books. I'm talking about movies.
Yeah, movies.
There's no way he has 13.
Yeah.
Is there 13 movies in Harry Potter for real? For real?
I haven't seen any of them.
You haven't seen any? Holy shit.
Don't
Dustin drank too much, guys.
No, I didn't. I'm just so confused. Oh my god. Actually, I'm just a little bit tipsy, but it's okay.
2.5 hours.
For a fucking movie, they have already robbed a bank. That's the first one, right? They already robbed cars, which is like the third one. They went to Tokyo and they started drifting. That's okay, that's perfect. That's enough. What else do you have to do? Nothing. Toretto has a kid all of a sudden that I didn't know.
Drink.
Enough is enough.
He drank too much, guys.
Yeah, I'm faded. Please send help to my GoFundMe account. Link down below. We're hella faded, fool.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Dustin got kicks in the building.
Dustin got kicks is in the building. Hey, how's it going? I don't know if you guys remember me, but
Subscribe,
subscribe to my channel. Thanks.
like,
Appreciate it.
comment. OnlyFans.
Yeah, hey, I do only have a OF. Did you know that? I made $1 million in like 24 hours just by doing a boob pic.
As you guys can probably see, it's dark. Dustin's drunk, and we are on the way to watch Fast 9. Oh, yeah. We're with Colin, and we're with Dustin. This movie is 2 hours and 25 minutes long, and we were basically on the road all day. So your boys are tired, but we're gonna see how this goes.
I'm for sure about to fall asleep during this movie.
Let's see what Dustin's text messages look like.
Chill. Daddy, chill.
All right, we're inside the movie theater now. It's weird out here. They're doing masks is optional. If you're vaccinated, you don't need to wear it. It's like my first time actually being like outside like this. No mask. Oh, he's going to the bathroom? Yeah. I'm going.
The next day.
What is going on, everybody? Good morning. Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Wow, yesterday's movie, man. I think we're gonna end this video off with like a review segment on Fast 9. Fast 9?
Yeah.
Fast 9. Out of 10, my rating would be like 6.5, 7.
Too high.
6 is too high?
Yeah, that movie sucked.
Dude.
Dude, honestly, like, it was just cheesy. There's too many of them.
It's cheesy because you're older. I think as a kid it would be less cheesy. As a kid.
What age? What age?
Maybe like you're 10?
Like your teens?
Like no, you're like 8 to 10. It would be cool. There were some parts in there that it was kind of a stretch. Like there's no way that would be possible, but you're watching a movie, so I just
don't get how they go from stealing cars to robbing banks to robbing whatever to being in space now.
I wish. I feel like the last movie that actually showed a lot of cars was Tokyo Drift. Like that was the last one, and then after that, it's just started becoming like missions and all that. So if you're in it for the missions, the movie might be for you. If you like the cars, it's probably not for you because it's not really about the cars anymore. It's about going to the moon.
It's about going to space. So my rate is, originally I instantly said 2. But if I'm being generous, I'll give it a 4.
Okay, a 4 out of 10.
4 out of 10.
I'm at a 6.5 or 7 out of 10. The ending it felt a little bit more nostalgic because they were pulling up, but I don't know. I don't know, guys. That is going to be the end of this video. I'm going to start a new vlog today, so we're going to close it out right here. I might title this like, Reviewing Fast 9. Thumbnail. Alright guys, we'll catch you in the next video for the next vlog. We're out. Deuces.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, gotta bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa. Too bad was they roll.